everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today I'm doing a demonstration on the new Saeco Magic M1 machine. It's made in Europe. It features a 7-inch touchscreen. This machine can accommodate a 15 grams of freshly ground coffee per beverage. What does that mean? It means you're gonna end up with a bold, fully flavored, strong end result. This machine is for true coffee connoisseurs. The machine features a 2.5 liter water tank, 600 gram bean hopper, and a 30 capacity spent puck container before emptying. This is a great machine for larger volume brewing for 30 to 40 cups per day. The M1 produces commercial quality results and superior coffee and milk-based beverages compared to other machines. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thanks for your support. Don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay in the loop with what's new at Consiglio's Kitchenware. We are always here to help you make the most informed decision on your next purchases. In today's demo, I'm going to show you an overall tour of the machine, all the main features, how to brew beverages, including how to brew 2 cappuccinos at once, and also how to brew a cold brew Americano. In today's video, we are using our medium roast super crema coffee beans. They are non-oily, safe for all grinders, and super automatic machines. They are locally roasted and available for sale at Consiglio's Kitchenware. They are delivered weekly and always optimally fresh. What is included with the Saeco Magic M1? In the box, you're going to see a milk circuit cleaner, a water filter, a cleaning brush, coffee oil remover tabs. Again, it is important to avoid using oily beans. There is no need for this as long as you stick to non-oily coffee beans. You will also receive a small little lubricant, that's for the brewing unit, along with the manuals. What we've paired today with the machine as an additional accessory sold separately is the Bellucci milk refrigerator. It pairs beautifully with the Saeco machines. You can fit a liter carton of milk. It is a refrigerator, it gets plugged in, it is nice and cool in here, and you would attach the silicone milk tube. It goes right into the milk container. So great for entertaining, great for office spaces, keeps the milk at a safe temperature. Next, we're gonna transition into the primary features of the machine. To start, it has a dual boiler double hydraulic circuit. That means there are 2 pumps and 2 boilers in the machine. One is designated to the water and steam function and the other to the coffee function. That means you're going to achieve consistent results with hotter temperatures and, yes, hotter milk-based beverage results as well. The M1 features a 7-inch large touch screen. It does have an elegant and sophisticated design, and yes, the control panel is user-friendly. The unit features a high-capacity water tank, bean hopper, and dredge drawer. The water tank is 2.5 liters, the bean hopper is 600 gram capacity, and the spent puck drawer is 30 pucks before emptying. So you don't have to tend to this machine too frequently, and it is great for 30 to 40 cups per day. The machine does not feature a bypass, so whatever whole beans are in the grinder is what the machine will be using. The machine is fully programmable with lots of customizations. You can adjust each beverage's strength and volume setting and save it. You can create new beverages, and you can adjust the grinder setting, the coffee intensity, and temperature settings. The M1 features a wide variety of beverages. In the coffee section, we have ristretto, espresso, long espresso, large coffee, manual brewing, ristretto ×2, espresso ×2, long espresso ×2, Americano, and yes, iced Americano. Let's review all of the milk-based beverages available to us. Macchiato, cappuccino, latte macchiato, cafe latte, flat milk, macchiato ×2, cappuccino ×2, milk, flat white, and plus milk. We can also access simple hot water for tea. Let's go into the menu of the machine. Over here, let's look at drink settings, for example. We can go down to recipes, recipes in use, and now you can go into any of the recipes here and make some of your adjustments to customize and personalize your experience. The machine does feature a 15-gram maximum strength to achieve optimal boldness and flavor in your beverages. It is a two-step process. Step one, you're going to make sure that above the brewing unit, there's a lever. You're going to make sure that it's all the way over to the maximum. Step two, when you select your beverage, you're going to ensure you toggle on the 4-bean icon. Let's go over a quick tour of the machine. Over here we have our adjustable spout. Here is the drip tray. This will be emptied once per day. This is the spent puck container, large capacity. Right over here is where the milk pipe, silicone milk pipe, will be stored. The side of the machine panel opens. This is our brewing unit. You can remove that. And this is your strength setting as we went over earlier. This is the grinder, and your grinder adjustment knob should be around levels 3 to 4 for optimal results. Next on the agenda, we are going to go through every beverage the Saeco M1 offers. Let's make a cappuccino with the 15-gram maximum two-step process. We have our brewing unit, of course, set to maximum strength. I've selected the 4 beans. Now, when the machine grinds the coffee, you'll hear it grind 2 separate times. That means there is truly 15 grams in this one cappuccino. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio, and I've had a blast showing you the Saeco Magic M1 professional super automatic espresso machine. This machine is for true coffee connoisseurs, as it makes exceptional, strong, bold, and full-bodied beverages. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Consiglioskitchenware.com. Our team is always available to help you make the most informed decision on your next purchase.